was 3 years of age and I wandered away from the family home. This was told by my mother, by the way, and she found me at the local football pitch. So I was in love with football right away. But my parents were against it, everybody was against it, ladies, girls and playing soccer. I used to sleep with the ball for two things. I was in love with the ball and I was afraid my mum would take it back up. So then I was about 6 years of age and I was playing all the time with the boys team. Coach asked if I would play for the boys team, but I would need to go to the barbers and get a boy's haircut and get changed up. I said to the barber, short band sides, I'm playing with the boys. I went in the barbers as Rose and come out as Ross. So I was playing with the wee boys team and there was one particular game and I scored 8 goals. And there was a Celtic scout there and they said, I want to sign the wee number 7 and the manager says, no, it's a wee lassie. No, the one with the dodgy haircut that scored all the goals. It's still a wee lassie. So I spoke to the Celtic scout and I was gutted that my Celtic career was over before he was there. There was some stupid women that worked the local factories and they started a women's team as a charity. I'd asked for a game before and she said, no, it's a lassie's game. We boys can't play us and you're too weak, come back in 2 years. So in 2 years and half a cycle later I was back. So I played there for a wee while, but I was also an athlete and I was 16 and I got shortlisted for the Commonwealth Games. So I went for a week to St Andrews to train, but it was all private school girls that were there. So I didn't have any. I had a pair of black sandals with elastic bands in them and I managed to get a trackie. It was like a navy blue thing out the army surplus stores and these girls were all cut out and they were laughing at me and I was aware of that obviously and I didn't speak like them, they were all high class, they were all posh. But anyway, off we went and I always remember it was the first day we were doing the 400 metres, we were doing the different trials and this lassie says to me, do you know at the start the coach said you've not to go fast because it's to keep your energy for the last 100 metres and I says, oh, I didn't hear that. So the gun goes and off they went and I'm just kind of jogging along and I thought, what a bitch she's just. So I changed gear and off I went and I won against the woman. Then it was a short put, so she said, what putt do you use, what weight do you use? And I said, it's a rock, it's a brick. And she just kind of looked at me, she said, this one's weird. So anyway, I got the shot put and I went flying because I was used with a big rock doing my thing. That was thanks to my coach, Kenny Phillips. He really, the talent was there obviously, but he kind of honed my skills a wee bit, and my rocks and my sandies and whatnot. So I was in the shortlisted for Commonwealth Games. But the coach then, and he said, Rose, you need to stop playing football because you're developing fit my thighs up or you're too muscly your thighs for athletics. So I stopped playing football for a week and I gave the athletics up, whole career, everything, for nothing that was on the horizon. My wee pal was Edna Nealis, one of Scotland's most talented footballers technically that ever will be. I decided I was going to turn professional, but I didn't know how. I remember reading the back of my daddy's Doric, and there was this journalist's son, Shivers, who he was writing about Real Madrid, and I thought, I wonder if they've got a women's team, a ladies team, and I says to Edna, let's go abroad to Stan Shivers. He helped us. We've got your trial for Stade de Reims in France. We went over, the Doric flew us over to France, and they signed us at half-time. We were in France for about 6 months when AC Milan scouts seen us playing and they bought us for AC Milan. So Edna didn't last long because she was homesick. Preferred to Marchese de Milan. So after a while playing in Italy, I played for a few teams and I won 8 Serie A titles, 2 golden boots. Then Italy asked me if I would play for the national team because I was banned for Scotland. And I says aye. So we won an official World Cup, and then in 1984 in an international tournament in China, I was named the world's best female footballer. And I thought, no bad for a real English Stuart. But it was always a Scottish hat beaten under an Italian jersey. And in 2000, when I come back home from my mum's ill health, I got inducted into the Sports Museum in Edinburgh. And I didn't know folk even knew me in Scotland. Then I got inducted into the Hall of Fame, the football at half time, I got awarded the MB. I like this visibility because it's where we need visibility to be heard. It's still no, it's no right. The wee girls have no bit of voice. There's still no bit of voice. And as women have still no bit of voice in certain places. Until some of us females can get in the boardrooms of anything like football, banks, or whatever it is you're in, where the decision making is made, we're going neighbour. That's what I'm kind of striving for.